Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to get started in Chaos World. Whether you're on PC or mobile, I've got you covered. We're going to keep this simple and clean so you can jump into the action as fast as possible. First things first, let's get the game. If you're playing on PC like me, head over to vfun.valif.com. Right there on the main page, you can download the VFUN launcher. Now, if you prefer gaming on the go, Chaos World is also available on mobile. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Chaos W to download it directly. Once the launcher is downloaded, go ahead and install it. After you open the VFUN launcher, just search for Chaos W in the library and hit download. As you can see, I've already got mine ready to go. Before we launch, you'll need a VFUN account. You can create one easily right here using your Gmail, Facebook, or Apple account. I personally used my Gmail to sign up, so I'll use that to log in now. Once you're in, just exit the welcome window and the Chaos World launcher will open automatically. It's that easy. Now for the fun part. First, pick your region. If you're in Asia, select the Asia region. If you're in the US, go with America. Pick your server and click the login gateway. You have 4 awesome classes to choose from. Knight for those who like to be on the front lines, Archer for long-range precision, Wizard for powerful magic, Assassin for quick high-damage strikes. I actually created an Assassin earlier because I love that playstyle. Just click your character, hit the connect button, and you are officially in the game. Before I let you go, I have some huge news for the creators out there. Chaos World is currently running a massive campaign on Crosswave called Stream. Unveil the forgotten tale of a world ruined. There is a prize pool of 80,000 cross rewards up for grabs for streamers and content creators. The campaign started on April 23rd and runs until May 21st, 2026. So, if you're making content, what are you waiting for? This is a great chance to earn while you play. Join in now. And that's it. You're all set to explore, level up, and farm in Chaos World. I hope this guide helped you get started smoothly. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Chaos World tips and updates. Good luck with your builds, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy gaming!